Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make this flower. It is looks like a 8-petaled sunflower. So there is a middle of it. It should be done in another color, and there are 8 petals. So in the middle we have single crochet stitches. I will show you the pattern. So first we have to make a magic ring. It can be done like this. Keep your finger. Then insert your hook in between the finger and the yarn. Then grab this yarn through the loop and keep it like this. Then you have to get the tension you need. Then pull this yarn and make the loop smaller. Then make one chain. This is the magic ring, and we are going to start with one chain because we are going to make single crochets into this ring. So after making it, we have to make 6 single crochets into the ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting is very important. If you go wrong, you can't get the right symmetry, or the petals. You can't get evenly distributed petals. Now here 6 single crochets are done. Then tighten the magic ring by pulling this short part of the yarn. Now the ring is tightened. Then we have to make a single crochet into the first stitch you made. Insert the hook into the first stitch and okay, now you have to make a single crochet here. This is the first single crochet of the second round. You have to mark it with a stitch marker. Insert the stitch marker here and clip it. This is the first stitch of the second round. In the second round, we have to make 2 single crochets in each stitch. So here also we have to make another single crochet. So into the same stitch, insert your hook. Insert your hook and make another single crochet. Now you have 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Likewise, you have to complete all the stitches with 2 single crochets in each stitch. Here also 2 single crochets, 1, 2. Then again 1, 2. Go to the next one, 1, 2, to the next one, 1, 2, into the final one, 1, 2. Now altogether there are 12 single crochets. Then you have to start the third round. To start the third round, the first stitch is here. This is the first stitch of the third round and mark it with the stitch marker. Now the pattern of the third round is 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet into the next stitch. 1 single crochet, 2, 1, 2. Likewise, the pattern is that. Then here we have already make 1 single crochet, then to the next one there should be 2 single crochets. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. One, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now the pattern is 1 single crochet, then to the next one 2 single crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2. Likewise, when you finish, you have to have 18 single crochets. Then the third round is finished. Now we are going to make the fourth round. Then remove the stitch marker. Then make 1 stitch here, that is the first single crochet of the fourth round. Mark it with the marker. Then now the pattern is 2 single crochets separately, 1 and 2, then 2 single crochets into the same stitch, 1, 2, then separately 1, 2, then into the same stitch, 1, 2, 1, separately, then to the same stitch, 1, 2. Likewise, you have to complete up to here. Now the fourth round is finished. There are 24 stitches in the fourth round. So you have to, now you have finished finished with middle part. Then you can insert the hook into the marked stitch and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch here and make 1 chain and cut the yarn. Okay, now the middle part is done. Then you have to change the color. Then join it into any single crochet here, the new color. By making a knot, you can join the new color, the color of the petals. Then insert the hook and get the yarn up and make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you have to make single crochets into this chain. So you have to come back to the middle part of the flower. So we are going to make single crochets, then we have to keep one stitch without making a single crochet, and to the second stitch make one single crochet. Then to the third stitch. Along the chain we have to come back by making single crochets. To the first chain here. Now you have 7 single crochets. Then skip 2 single crochets in the middle part. Then to the third single crochet make a slip stitch. Likewise. Then again 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then to the second chain make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 single crochets. There should be 7 single crochets because we skipped the first chain. Then skip 2 single crochets in the middle part. Then to the next one make a slip stitch. Okay. Likewise you can complete. Okay, now I have completed all the 8 parts of the petals. In both sides of these parts we have to add the petal to complete it. Like here, this part and this part. So to start completing the petal, we have to